Hello everybody, I'm not live, because this is a tutorial on how to join the server. I'll go ahead and just get right into it. So first, what you're going to need to do is change what version of the server, the game you're playing is. You want Alpha 21.2 stable. Click on this. That is found from the game here. Properties, betas. Click on this. I think it's set to none by default. You'll want to go find Alpha 21.2, and once you select that, it should start downloading and changing your files. After that takes a while to set up, this file right here underneath your Steam Apps Common is where your game will undergo complete change and go to Alpha 21. Then you don't have to do this next one, but I would recommend it. That's why I have so many of these, just because I play a lot of overhauls on this game. I would recommend copying this and then pasting it. And that's going to copy the entire game. We're going to make a second copy of the game. Give that a second. And effectively, we're going to make what I already have right here. Give that a second. Alright, now you want to name it just about anything, whatever you want. DF, sure, that works. And go ahead and pop into here. You'll need a mods folder. Spelled with a capital M. You want to make sure it's got a capital M. Go into there. And then from here, on the server, I have posted all the information that you need in order to join. First, you'll obviously need the Darkness Falls, as that's what we are now playing, which you can find either on Nexus or on the 7 Days Mods site. So here, you'll find it all the way down. Right here, you want the Alpha 21 version. Or on Darkness Falls Nexus, you'll find down, you want 5.1 is the version of the mod, and it'll say works on 21.2. So this is the version that you're looking for. Go ahead and click manual download. Same for the other one. Eventually, after that's done, it is a pretty beefy file, as you can see here. Here it only shows 5 gigs, but I'm pretty sure it's more than that. After that's done downloading, you place the folder in here, and then right-click on it and unload it. I'm going to go to this here, and you'll see all of these files get unloaded. Next up, you'll also need an additional file. These are some other things that are also on the server. Click on this, that'll download it right away. Go ahead and bring it over here, and then right click on it and unload it. Give it a sec. Extract here, and it'll extract the mods, the extra ones here, specifically a map and 2 special relics that I'm using. You'll see that one right here, and here. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Up next is that you can just either start the game from this application here. You want to make sure that you're not running the game from here. This is an easy anti-cheat. You need to turn that off when playing with mods. So you can either start the game right here and you're all good to go, or one additional step is, for me, I need to use controller. So I go to Games, Add Non-Steam Game. We'll browse, look for Darkness Falls, the game, and select this one, open, and it will add what I have right here. And then you can rename it to whatever you want, and then go ahead and hit play. From here, you're pretty much already good to go. I'll go ahead and show you what it's like to join the server if you're new to joining the server. Turn that down a little. So, join a game. You can either try searching for it. You can then type in something like Darkness Meows, and then try searching. You can search different filters, etc. Eventually, you should be able to easily find it. Oh. Did I misspell it? Shows one now. Let's just do something like that. Start search. There we go. And it shouldn't be too hard to find that way. But more specifically, easier way is to simply just type in the IP of the server and then the port, which I have posted here. Copy that. Jump over to the game. Put that in. Grab the port. Grab that. Put that in. Connect. It's next going to ask for a password. Oh, right, because I currently have the server turned off. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it. It's gonna then ask your password and enter the password that's on the Discord. Right there. And you're good to go. You're in. I will see you all in hell.